This project is an automated typing system I built in Python, designed to control the e-typing website automatically. When you run the script, it launches the e-typing page and begins typing smoothly and rhythmically all by itself. As shown at the top of the browser, the message shows is being controlled by automated test software. Confirm that everything is running automatically. Without touching the keyboard, the program reads the on-screen Romaji, Japanese Romaji text, and input each character one by one into the website typing field, just like a real user. At the end of the test, it even displays the score, both on the e-typing page and the internet output. In this demo, the program achieved a score of 458, and laser beam. This project was created as part of the educational exploration, extending what I teach in programming classes into a fun automation experiment. Thank you.